In this video, we'll show you how to track and find an iPhone that's been lost or stolen. First things first, this will only work if you've enabled the Find My app on your phone before it goes missing. Once Find My is set up, here's how to track your lost iPhone. Open the Find My app on another device that's signed into your Apple ID, like a computer or iPad. Tap the Devices tab, select the lost iPhone, and the phone's last known location should appear. From there, you'll see options to play sound, mark as lost, or erase this device. You could also use someone else's device to find your lost iPhone by using the Help a Friend link in the Find My app. Once you're in the app, tap the Me tab. Scroll down and tap the Help a Friend link. This will take you to iCloud.com. Enter your Apple ID and password and follow the prompts. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.